Today we are solving two-step equations. That means that we have two full steps before we can get to our final answer. So our goal is, once again, is to get the variable x by itself. In step one, we have to get the term that has the variable alone. So in this example, we need to get the negative 2x by itself. So this negative 2x. To get the negative 2x by itself, we have to get rid of, notice, here's the equal sign, here's negative 2x. The only other thing is that positive 4. So we have to get rid of the 4. To get rid of that 4, we know that the 4 is being added to the negative 2x, see, plus 4. To get rid of the 4, we have to do the inverse or opposite of what is already being done. The inverse of addition we know is subtraction. So draw our line down the middle. So to get rid of a plus 4, we minus 4 from both sides. Those equal 0 or cancel out. Bring down our negative 2x equals 8 minus 4 is 4. So now our second step is now it's finally getting that variable x, or this x right here, all by itself. The operation between the negative 2 and the x is multiplication. To get rid of the 2, we have to do the inverse operation. The inverse of multiplication is division. So I'm going to continue that line. We know negative 2, and we're just going to bring that 4 down from earlier. So we have to divide by this negative 2 on both sides. Those cancel out, so we bring down our x. 4 divided by negative 2, remember, positive divided by negative, they're different signs, so we have a negative. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So our answer is x equals negative 2. Last example, w divided by 2 plus 6 equals 7. So our goal is to get w by itself, but in this first step, we have to get the term that has the variable alone. So we have to get this w divided by 2 by itself. To get w divided by 2 by itself, we have to get rid of this 6 right here. So the operation between the w over 2 and 6 is that plus sign, so addition. To get rid of the 6, we have to do the inverse or opposite of what is already being done. If we're adding, we know the inverse operation is subtraction. So draw our line down the middle. We have to subtract 6 from both sides. Those are going to cancel or 0 out, bring down our w divided by 2. 7 minus 6 is 1. So now step 2 is to finally get this w by itself. The operation between the w and 2, we know this bar right here means division. To get rid of the 2, we have to do the inverse operation. The inverse we know of division is multiplication. So I'm going to bring down what I had earlier. The w divided by 2 they brought down for me. We know it equals 1. So we have to do multiplication. Remember, we show multiplication with the parentheses out to the side. And we're multiplying, but what we're trying to get rid of, the 2. These 2's are going to cancel each other out, so we bring down our w. 1 times 2 is 2. There's our answer.